Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about addition and subtraction of integers using a number line. We can solve sums of addition and subtraction of integers with the help of a number line. So how we can do it? Just let's try to understand it. See, this is one sum I shared with you here, minus 13 minus 20. So for this always we should take the second step. So minus 13 will remain as it is, and you know minus minus is plus. So you have to write plus sign here, and 20 will be as it is. Now how with the help of the number line you can see. See, minus 13 is the first place you have to locate on your number line. That is minus 13. Okay, after that in the center you can see the plus sign is there. Plus sign means what, children? On a number line, from the given number you have to jump from the to the right side, so plus 20 is there, so that's why from minus 13 towards the right side you should take how many jumps? 20 jumps. So you can see here 20 jumps are taken. Just count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So at the 20th jump, you have reached at 7. That's why your answer is 7. I hope you understood this. Now let's take another example. See here, minus 13 plus minus 20. So now you have to do what you have to do here. You have to take the second step first. Minus 13 will be as it is, and then plus minus minus. So minus 20 you will write here. So now what you have to do, you have to find out on a number line first minus 13, location of minus 13. So you can see minus 13 is here and minus sign is there. That's why you have to shift to the right or left, to the left side. So from this minus 13 you have to take how many jumps to the left? That is 20 jumps to the left you have to take. So when you take 20 jumps to the left, you are reaching at minus 33. You can see that. So that's why your answer will be minus 33. You must be thinking, children, what kind of number line I have drawn? See, according to our convenience, this way we can draw a number line. Here all negative numbers we are needed. That's why I have drawn all the negative numbers. And you can see that all negative numbers I have drawn to the left of 0. So my number line is correct. Okay. Now you can see here second example, 14 minus 23. So now you have to draw a number line. See here how I have drawn a number line where is 0 is in the center, and the right hand side also I have written positive integers, and left hand side I have written negative integers. Now first number is 14. So you have to locate 14 on your number line first. So 14 number I found here. So from that side, now I should jump to the right or left, children? I should jump to the left. Why? Because in between minus sign is there. That's why left side we have to jump from 14. Total how many jumps you have to take? 23 jumps. So when you take 23 jumps to the left side of 14, you are reaching at minus 9. Okay, so this way you are getting answer minus 9. Very easy. Now this is, you see, 18 minus 12. So how you can do it? We need to get second step here, 18, and minus minus is plus. Okay, then 12 will be there. Now this is so very easy. All positive numbers are included in this. That's why you can see on my number line, I have written all the positive integers to the right side of 0. So now first you locate 18 number here, so that we found here. Now plus sign is in between. That's why to the right side you have to take the jumps. So how many jumps? 12 jumps you have to take. When you take 12 jumps, see, it is clearly shown here. When you take 12 jumps here, you reach to 30, and finally you get the 30 answer. Now let's see some other examples. Now see here, minus 13 plus minus 10. So always we have to take second step, then our work becomes very easy. Now minus 13 will be as it is, plus minus minus, and then 10 is equal to. Now find out your answer. So on this number line you can see both negative numbers are included in this. That's why I have drawn all negative integers to the left side of 0. So you can see I have to find out first minus 13. So that I located on the number line, that is minus 13. Minus sign is between. That's why obviously we have to take jumps to the left side. Left side, how many jumps we will take, children? 10 jumps, because second integer is 10. So 10 jumps when you are taking to the left side of minus 13, you are reaching at minus 23. And that's why your answer is minus 23. Now next sum. 18 plus minus 12 is equal to 18 will as it is. Second step, whenever there are two signs are there in between, you must take second step. Now plus minus you have to do, and then 12 will come here. Now where is the 18 on a number line? You can see all number lines I have drawn according to my own convenience. This you also should understand how you have to draw number line for a particular sum. Okay, so now here I will find out 18. I got 18 is here. In between minus sign is there. That's why from 18 I should take jumps to the right or left, children. Minus means always left. You can see here at the top corner I have written. So minus sign is there. That's why to the left side, how many jumps you have to take? 12 jumps you have to take to the left side. So when you take 12 jumps to the left side of 18, you are reaching at 6. So what is your answer? Your answer is 6. Now this is very easy, children. 14 plus 23, both are positive integers. So you have to draw such a big number line. Then 14 you have to locate on this, and to the plus sign is there in between. That's why you have to shift to the right side of the 14. And how many jumps you have to take? 23 jumps. When you take 23 jumps, you are reaching at 37. So your answer is 37. Now let's learn about multiplication of integers. First, let us discuss some rules. See, children, rules for addition and subtraction of integers is different, and rules for multiplication of integers is different. Multiplication of integers is quite easy for you. Now see your numbers. Plus 3 into plus 5 means both are positive integers. Okay, I have written that. And when you multiply them, your answer also remains positive. So 3 5s are 15. This is general multiplication. You all are aware about it. Now the second second rule. What is the means two positive integers multiplication? When you do, you get the product. Product means answer of that multiplication will also be positive. Okay, now one number is positive and one number is negative integer. So in such case, when you multiply, what answer you will get? Your product will be negative, children. So when is one positive, one is negative, your answer will be negative, because plus minus, that way you have to keep in mind. So minus 3 into plus 5 is equal to minus 15. Okay, now this is the numbers here. Both are negative numbers. You can see, children, both are negative numbers. You have to multiply here. So when you multiply both the negative numbers, your answer will be always positive number. Your answer will be always positive number. See, 3 5s are 15. Your general multiplication, how you do that way you do, and then minus plus. So it would be plus 15. I hope you understood, everybody. Now you can see here multiplication of integers, practice set 8. Here multiply minus 5 into minus 7. You can see, children, here both are negative integers. So obviously your answer will come positive. Why? Minus plus. This is our rule. 5 7s are 35, and then it would be positive because both are negative integers you are multiplying. Now second sum is minus 9 into 6. Minus 9 into 6, in that minus 9 is negative integer and plus 6 is a positive integer. So when one is negative and one is positive, so always the product of such multiplication will come negative. That is minus 54. Okay, 9 6 are 54 is here, means always negative you will get. When you will multiply one negative and one positive integer, your answer will remain always negative, children. Okay. Now third sum, 9 into minus 4 means one is positive and one is negative. Same thing is here also, only the sequence is changed, so it doesn't make any difference. So one positive and one negative integer means plus minus. So your answer would be negative. 9 4s are 36. That's why your answer is minus 36. Now 8 into minus 7. Now one is again positive, one is again negative. So what your answer will be? Negative. General multiplication you carry out, that is 8 7s are 56, and that your answer would be negative. Minus sign you have to put. Okay. Now from the practice set 8 only, the question number 5th and 6th and rest of the you have to do on your own. Now see here, both are negative integers. Minus 124 into minus 1 you have to do. So in this case, you have to just carry out multiplication. Whatever your answer will come, for that you have to write positive signs, because minus minus plus. These are the rules of for the multiplication of integers. So 124 into 1, 124, and minus minus plus. That's why your product will get plus sign. Product means answer of multiplication. Understanding, children? Now here minus 12 into minus 7. Again both are negative. When both are negative, answer will be positive. So what? Minus 12 into minus 7 you have to do. That multiplication answer is coming 84. 12 sevens are 84, but both are negative. That's why your answer would be positive 84. Minus minus plus.